Yeah, this is KlymaxERP, the HR stroke payroll module. We start from the quick launch, and the first one is the dashboard. We have banks, where you can set up banks where employees will receive their salary through. Departments, so you can create different departments. We have staff, we have employee profile. Basically, the salary begins from employee profile. We have allowances, deductions, tax table, salary advance, loans, salary processing, run payroll, leave management, reports, messages, settings, and profile. So basically, this is how you set up. So we'll have a bank list. In fact, we have all the list of banks there. I'll just log in. We have a list of all banks already inputted with all the branches in Ghana. We have all of them, so no fears there. Then we have departments. So this is where you set up all the departments in your workplace. We have staff. You populate all the staff details here. You see everything, all the staff details. So you add staff by doing this, and then you can enter staff details. You can select pictures for the staff and all that. The next one is the payroll setup. And even with the staff, there are a couple of things you can do with the staff, like setting up the deductions, allowances, and all that. That's quite okay. Then employee profile. This is where profiles are created for different category of workers and how much and their basic salaries. So this is where you do that. Then we have allowances. You can add allowances from here, any type of allowance, car allowance, fuel allowance, and all that, and then it will be applied to the employee salary when computations are being done. Then we have deductions. Any kind of deductions are done here, and these are long-term deductions, something that reoccur. We also have a place where you can input one-time deductions and one-time allowances. Then we have the tax table. So this is the current tax table we have here. You can add more, or you can modify it by clicking here, and then you can modify it, or you can add new line to it. So basically that's that. So that's how you set up your payroll. Then salary processing. We have salary advance, so you can handle salary advance as well. You can input it, how much the employee wants. Can we see I have a list of all employees and that, and so on and so forth. We have loans. So employees can, if you give loans, you can give loan to your employee, and the deduction will be done appropriately. One-time deduction, equal installment, and all that. You can do that here. We have monthly processing. This is where you process each month payroll. Let me see, I think I have some data from last year. Let's see, August last year. Okay, so that's it. Those are all the details from last year. And you can also import a file. You can process it and then just import the file to populate this list. So if you watch here, there are a lot of things you can do. So this is the profile name, which is normal worker. Basic salary is 1,000. Hourly rate is this. Annual salary is this. Then you can do monthly details. So depending on what you do, if you do hours worked or vacation days, you can enter all these details and then it will be run accordingly. We have one-time allowances and one-time deductions. This is where you can set it up. So this one, and then we have overtime. You can set up overtime here. Weekday, weekend, public holiday, Sunday, all that. You can set it up there. Thereafter, you can run payroll. So if I still select my date from last year, August, and then I have all. So over here you can just check one person to run payroll for the person, or you can select all to run the payroll for everybody. You can do test run and then final run of payroll. So once it's done, then you can go ahead and print all your reports. I'll show you a sample of reports very soon. So that's the last thing for salary processing. Then we have leave setup. So leave types, you can set up all your leave types. We have leave schedule calendar. We have leave processing. We have okay, this is the same as salary processing, so that's it. Then we look at the reports. So look at the reports. So we have payroll register. If I pick the last year where I have data, you could see that we have use the payroll register. So everything is here: position, basic salary, overtime, bonus, allowances, gross, S.I.T, income tax deduction, net pay. It's all there. We can view pay slip from so last year August, and then we can display. So this is a simple payslip that I can print on A4 sheet, about 4 or so on one A4 sheet if you want to manage paper. And then I think we have the detailed payslip as well. Yes, so we have this. If we display, so this is the detailed payslip as well. You can do summary, you can do detail, you can do final. You can email your payslips and all that. Oh. We have payee report, we have tax report, we have S.I.T. Yes, pick, you can view the S.I.T report. And I guess so that's it. That's your S.I.T report right there. Employee contribution, employer contribution, blah 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 blah. So that's that. So basically, this is a demo or a glance through our payroll module. Thank you.